Grassland habitats are terrestrial habitats that don't get too much rain, so not a lot of trees grow, and they're primarily made of grasses. There's lots of grazing animals, such as these antelope in the Africa grasslands, as well as many predators to the grazing animals, such as these lions to those antelope. In the grassland habitats of Africa, sulcata tortoises, like Tank here, survive the hot daytimes by digging burrows where they hide away from that hot sun. Remember, grasslands don't have trees to provide shade for these tortoises. Sulcata tortoises eat lots of grasses. These grasses are tough for their stomachs to digest, so they have special stomachs. They've adapted to have special stomachs to allow them to eat the grass in the grassland habitats. Let's go check out an even larger grassland animal from Africa. All right, I'm out here in Myakka, Florida, at Myakka Elephant Ranch with my good friend Lou. And Lou here to talk to you a little bit more about elephants, their amazing adaptations to live in the grassland habitats where they're found. Now you'll first notice the size of this animal and that she's eating. They need a lot of food to fuel that large body. They find a lot of grass and plants that they eat out on the grasslands. They'll eat small trees and shrubs, but they are herbivores. They only eat vegetation. Here at Myakka, she eats hay, and how much does she eat every day?
About 200 pounds of hay per day.
200 pounds of hay per day. That is quite a lot of food. A lot of food is also going to mean a lot of poop. And lots of other animals rely on this poop. And one elephant will poop about 400 pounds per day. That's twice my weight. And this poop is very important for other animals. Inside of it, you'll see all sorts of little seeds and little things that other animals will rely on to eat. They'll also spread seeds throughout the grasslands of other plants, helping plants grow. And this is a really great fertilizer too. In grassland habitats, it does not rain that often, so there's not a lot of trees. They have some adaptations like those large ears you can see on Lou here. Those large ears flap and help cool them down. Those large ears also have lots of veins inside of them that also helps cool them down in those hot grasslands. Thick calloused skin on their back to protect from that sun. And they'll also throw dirt or mud onto their backs as a sunscreen to protect them from the suns out there. It's kind of hard to find water in grasslands, so an elephant never forgets. It's true. They can find a water hole and find it the next year and the year after as well and know exactly where it's at. They could drink up to 50 gallons of water at a time when they find it, because they do need lots of water, like all animals need water to survive. Elephants will sometimes not be able to find water, so they'll dig down a deep wallow where they can have water, and other animals can also come and enjoy their water. So they're called a keystone species. Lots of other animals rely on elephants in those grassland habitats. So it's pretty amazing how animals can affect one another in good and bad ways. It's important to remember that the animal who has the largest impact on other animals is humans, is us. So you always have to do your part to respect, protect, and conserve wildlife. Thanks so much everyone for watching this video on grassland habitats. If you enjoyed watching this video a quarter as much as I enjoyed filming with these elephants, you had a great time learning about grasslands. Huge shout out to Myakka Elephant Ranch and my good friend and brother Lou for making all that happen. Be sure to check out next episode where we sum everything up and we'll talk about a few careers like mine and my conservationist friend Lou, and maybe you want to pursue a career. But until then, keep being good to our world and all the animals in it. Thanks, everybody.